All right, at a mobile home. This is a first for me. I got a single stage trane up here on the roof. I already was up here diagnosing it. The guy's like, my furnace is on the roof, and I'm like, it's probably in your back closet, you know, or inside your house. But look at this thing. Single stage trane XB, and this like little compartment that's up here right next to the cooler. Never seen that. Been doing this for about 13 years. Mobile homes every year, and it's the first time I've ever seen this, man. It's pretty cool. I'm not getting 24 volts to the valve, 24 volts to the valve. I'll show you, my diagnosis and everything, how I diagnosed it. So we'll be right back with that. So the igniter is coming on, but then nothing. So I disconnected these leads. I checked 24 volts at them. I was getting 24 volts, well 27 volts to it. It wasn't acting up, it wasn't opening. I left my meter down at the van, but when I was up here I was checking it. So we're gonna do a gas valve replacement on this single stage trane. Let's turn this gas off. Get this flex line off. Clip these zip ties. We got to take the manifold out. Take this roll out, switch out. Right. Gonna remove the 4 screws that hold the gas manifold in. And this whole thing should come out. The weirdest mobile home furnace I've ever worked on. Weirdest location. There it is. Alright, got it out. Really easy. Alright, so let's take it down to the van and put a new one on. All right, got the valve 09029. We're gonna take that off. We'll reuse all this because it fits perfectly. We'll just put some new pipe dope on the fittings. Pretty much all you need is just a couple pipe wrenches. You can probably do it with some channel locks, but that's how I do it. Got some pipe dope right there. So let's get started. Pretty much the same exact valve, should fit perfectly. off easy. Normally they do. Flip this on. There we go. There we go. Right off. Let's get this valve off now. Let's see, use a crescent wrench for this one. Enough leverage. There we go. Just gotta get a little leverage. Manifold's pretty strong, so you shouldn't have to worry about bending it, but there we go. Alright, all the valves off. Alright, let's get some new pipe dope on this. Put our new valve on. So we always go with your gas flow going into the manifold. So this is the part I'm going to put in. Just thread that baby on. Tighten it up. Alright, we'll do one more turn with the wrench. Use a crescent wrench so we don't tear it up. Go. Alright, let's put this galvanized fitting back on. Some sealant on the threads. Go. Started. Now it was sitting in this way, so we want this piece to be facing out. Okay, let's go one more time around with that. Good. There we go. just like that, we're done. Let's go reinstall it. All right, let's reinstall this guy. Make sure the orifices are in the burner. There's my 8-in-1 in. Let that sit there for a second. Alright. Let's get these manifold screws in. There. There. Alright, she's all anchored in. Got those 2 screws in, those 2 screws in. Let's get our rollout switch plugged back in. All right, let's hook up our low voltage control. One there, it's already on. Okay, all right, let's hook up that flex line. Get some zip ties on those wires. All right, I got the zip ties anchoring in those wires. Got the flex line nice and tight. All right, let's start this guy up, see if it works. Air in the line. You can hear the gas coming out now. So it just purged out the air that was in the flex line. So we'll let the board restart, and it'll light up right now. It'll try again. Let's just reset it. Go again. Now it'll ignite because it got all the air out. That's the reason why it didn't ignite the first time. It had to purge all that air out that was in that line. So now we should light up. There it is, that sweet sound of the burners. Easy repair, that gas valve. Change the dude's filter. He asked me to change it, so I'm going to change that for him. But we're going to test for gas and CO leaks inside the house. Let's just wait for that blower to come on. Make sure that works. But it is working. Come on. Come on, blower. Wait for that board to click. There it is. And the blower works. Nice. All right, let's close this thing up and get to the next one.